Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we will be checking out the delicious makhana kheer. We are making this white sugar free and adding jaggery instead. The portion size is specified, will serve 4 to 5 people. So let us check out this recipe without further ado. In a white bottom wok, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Once the butter melts, add 1.5 cup of makhana and allow it to slow roast on very low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Once it is done, it will become crunchy and break off like this. Now remove from flame and allow to cool. In the same wok, add 1.5 liters of milk. Bring it to a boil and keep it simmering on the sides. Into a mixer jar, add the roasted makhana seeds and 8 to 10 cashews. If you do not have cardamom powder, add 3 to 4 cardamom pods into the mixture at this time. Adding cashew powder to the milk will help in giving a thick creamy texture to the kheer, and grind the ingredients into a fine powder. The texture should be somewhat like this. Keep simmering the milk as it will condense and thicken the kheer. In a non-stick pan, add 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. To this add half cup of water and give a nice mix to the jaggery. The jaggery will slowly melt and dissolve in the water. Now bring it to a boil and shut off the gas and allow to cool. Now add the roasted makhana and cashew powder to the simmering milk. You can also chop some roasted makhana into quarters and add to the kheer. Although the makhana are roasted, they do not soften within the kheer. So add the chopped makhana only if you like a bite in your kheer. Otherwise you can just grind the entire lot. Keep simmering the milk as the kheer will condense and thicken. It will have a nice rich creamy texture. After about 10 minutes, you can add dry fruits. We have added almond silvers here and some cashew pieces. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk in which 8 to 10 strands of saffron have been soaked. This will give a nice yellow tinge to the kheer. Since we are sweetening the kheer with jaggery, we have to add the spice that complements jaggery perfectly, that is nutmeg. Add freshly grated nutmeg, about 1 teaspoon, to the simmering milk. Now add 1 teaspoon of freshly ground cardamom powder to this kheer and give it a nice mix so that all the ingredients are properly incorporated. Now simmer the kheer for another 10 minutes. Now shut down the gas and allow to cool. Bring down the temperature of the kheer by stirring it occasionally. When the kheer has cooled down substantially, add the liquid jaggery to the kheer and give it a nice mix. Do not add the liquid jaggery to boiling milk as the acid in the jaggery will cause the milk to curdle. Now mix the two cooled liquids together so that the jaggery mixes completely with the milk. Now place this kheer in the refrigerator to chill for 4 to 8 hours. This gives out a lovely aroma of nutmeg, cardamom and saffron. Serve it chilled. You can garnish it with dried rose petals. This gives a slight rose essence and almond silvers. Check out the texture, so how rich and creamy it is. You can enjoy this as a lazy Sunday dessert or a festival sweet dish. The complete list of ingredients along with their portion sizes are mentioned in the blog. The link to the blog is mentioned in the description below. Do check that out. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.